everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a very cool 1970 AMC Javelin True SST car, guys. Very cool car, a lot of documentation, pretty original car. And I'll tell you what, man, if you're looking for a fun driver, I think you're really going to like this car. The more and more I'm around this car, the more and more I like it. I've learned a ton about the car. The car originally came off the West Coast. I bought it, I think the guy was out of Virginia. This is a factory color combination, Bayshore blue with the blue interior. He said that's the original white vinyl top. You can see it's got the Cragars on it. I just put brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. New Flowmaster exhaust. But man, cool car. From the documentation that I have, it looks like the car was restored like 2001, 2002. But man, it's just a good car. Runs and drives excellent. I think most of the stuff on this car is original. It's got the original chrome, the original bumpers, and you can kind of pick at that stuff a little bit. But let's just come off. There's a couple of bugs on there. You know, you can kind of pick at it, but for the price point, I think this car is going to be hard to beat. And man, turn the key and point the direction. It runs and drives just as sweet as can be. It's got the original ram air hood. Again, this is original Javelin SST. Said this is the original top. Factory dual chrome mirrors. The driver's side's a remote mirror. It's had one repaint. Again, this is Bayshore blue. You see it's got the rear spoiler. Again, all this stuff's original on this car. You see a little mark there in your vinyl. There's one up by the B-pillar I'll show you too, but nice and straight down the sides. I think he said this car's got the original body panels in it. That's a good looking car right there. And again, hits the road great. We've driven this car multiple times because again, I put all brand new rubber on it. 245s on the rear, 235s on the front. It's got the Cragar SS's all the way around it, which I like. Car sits good, paint slick. It's a factory 360 car. Now again, I'm no AMC expert. I've never claimed to be. I've owned quite a few of them over the years, and I learn something new every time I have one. By the documentation in there, it looks like this. They put 401 heads on this car. The camshaft information is in there. It's got a brand new Edelbrock EVS carb on it, Edelbrock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the factory radiator in it. Power steering, power brakes. It's factory automatic trans, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Just a good looking car. Turn the key, go cruising. Again, dual chrome mirrors. This one's a remote mirror. Original door handles. Original body tag. Original door tag for you California folks. Got to have that in the 70s. Interior, and again, I learned about this. Didn't even know that cloth was an option on these cars. This is all new legendary interior. He had that replaced, like I say, I think in 2001. Factory bucket seats. It's got the wood grain trim on it. That's original. Again, they've redone all the seats. And it's cloth. It's cloth and vinyl. Original steering wheel. Car shows 48,000. I see no mileage log on this car, guys, so I couldn't tell you what it is. Factory gauges. It's got aftermarket radio in it. I couldn't get that to come on, so. Factory shifter. Again, I put brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. Stock rear end, no big gear or anything like that. Ton of documentation in this thing, which is super cool. Car cover does come with it. Original space saver spare with the canister. This is all the service records on the car. As I'm losing stuff. There's your legendary catalog for the interior. Owner's manuals, brochures, you name it, he's got it. It's got the tech manual on it. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Everything opens and closes real nice. I just think whoever gets this thing's gonna have a blast with it. Can you pick at some things? Yes. Listen, guys, I don't care if you spend $200,000. You can pick at them. But man, for the price on this car and the quality, this car's gonna be hard to beat. Look how clean the door seams are. Seats are nice, super comfortable. Again, you can pick at some of the trim in here. I don't know if you can buy that, if you could buy this, but like I say, I've never messed with them, but a little elbow grease and some detail, man. This car would just be super slick. Fires right up, hits the road, great. Nice and tight. See how clean the shock towers are on the car. This car's really look cool coming at you down the road. Is the fuel gauge working? I have to check that. I couldn't get the blower motor to come on. Move that shifter a little bit. I know that back. Yeah, there you go. I know the backup lights work. Good. Car hits the road good. Like I say, it's just a nice car. I couldn't get the radio to come on.
But it doesn't.
It doesn't catch it?
Yeah.
Okay, so it powers up. It's funny. I couldn't get it to come on. That's what kind of radio guy I am. No on the wipers. We'll check into those. If they're vacuum, I will not mess with them. If they're electrical, I'll see what I can do. I don't know how easy that wiper motor's to get. I know the hose down. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.